Vedasri. I am studying in 4th one. Now I am here to say about different plants and their parts. I love plants very much. The plant is divided into two systems. The first system is root system. The second system is a shoot system. The root system is grows under the ground. We cannot see the root system. The shoot system grows above the ground. We can see the shoot system. This is a lemon tree and it has roots. Roots grows under the ground, so we can't see the roots. Roots helps to absorb water and minerals from soil. This is stem part and it helps to support the plant. It is very hard. And stem grows to branches and rebranches. Branches has leaves. Leaves help the plant to make the food for whole plant. This is flower part. The flower helps to reproduce the new plant and flower became a fruit. This is fruit part and it contains seeds. Seeds produce the new plants. This is called the life cycle of a plant. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.